if the way you drive your Audi every single day is slowly creating a repair you will never see coming? What if the damage is not mechanical, but learned? What if your Audi is quietly adapting to habits you believe are harmless, and those adaptations are slowly increasing future repair costs? Have you ever wondered why some Audi owners face expensive repairs? Even though they follow maintenance schedules and never abuse their cars, this is where the real problem begins. Modern Audi vehicles almost never fail. Suddenly, what feels sudden to the driver is usually the final stage of a long process that has been building silently in the background. Audi systems are engineered to prioritize refinement, comfort, and emissions compliance above all else. When something is not operating under ideal conditions, the car does not alert the driver immediately. Instead, it adapts quietly. That adaptation keeps the vehicle smooth, calm, and premium, which is exactly why the problem stays invisible. The car feels fine, so the driver assumes everything is fine. But adaptation is not neutral. It has a cost. Over time, systems that constantly compensate begin operating outside their ideal efficiency range. Control modules work harder, actuators cycle more often, and multiple components start aging faster together. This is why warning lights are unreliable indicators of real financial risk. By the time a warning appears, the vehicle may have been compensating for months or even years. And here is the critical point that most Audi owners never realize. By the end of this episode, you will understand why most expensive Audi repairs do not start with a broken part, but with a repeated habit the owner never questioned. These habits are not reckless. They are normal, everyday behaviors that Audi systems interpret as stress. The vehicle responds intelligently, but that intelligence has long-term consequences. Now, before we go further, this is the moment most people skip but should not. If you own an Audi and want to avoid expensive surprises, before warning lights ever appear, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. This series is dedicated to explaining how modern Audi systems really behave, how they learn from daily use, and how owners can reduce long-term repair risk without tuning myths or unnecessary workshop visits. Now let's continue, because in the next part, we are going to break down the specific everyday habits Audi systems silently interpret as harmful and explain why the car never warns you while it is happening. The habits that quietly damage modern Audi vehicles are not extreme, and they are not reckless. In fact, most owners believe these habits are responsible and even beneficial. Short trips, frequent cold starts, gentle acceleration, prolonged idling, and low engine load are all behaviors drivers associate with taking care of their car. The problem is not the intent. The problem is how modern Audi systems interpret these patterns over time. Audi vehicles constantly monitor how they are used. They do not evaluate individual trips in isolation. They evaluate repetition. When the car sees the same pattern day after day, it adapts its internal logic to protect comfort, emissions, and refinement. Throttle mapping becomes softer. Transmission shifts earlier. Emission systems prioritize stability over efficiency. None of this feels wrong to the driver. In fact, it often feels smoother. But this smoothness is created by compensation. Compensation means systems are working around conditions that are not ideal. Over time, that workaround becomes permanent behavior. This is where the damage begins. Components that are designed to operate within a specific temperature range, load range, and response window start spending more time outside those conditions. Carbon buildup increases because systems rarely reach optimal operating temperature. Electrical demand becomes inconsistent because short trips prevent full battery recovery. Control modules continuously adjust parameters to maintain balance. Each adjustment is small and harmless on its own. The problem is accumulation. When accumulation continues for months or years, multiple systems begin aging faster together. This is why damage can occur even when the car has never been abused. The vehicle has been protecting itself too well for too long. Another critical detail most owners miss is that modern Audi systems are designed to avoid alarming the driver unless safety or emissions compliance is at risk. Long-term reliability and repair cost are not triggers for warnings. This creates a false sense of security. The absence of warning lights is interpreted as proof that nothing is wrong. In reality, the car may be operating in a heavily compensated state. By the time a warning finally appears, the system has already reached the end of its tolerance margin. What feels like a sudden failure is actually the result of prolonged adaptation. In the next part, we will explain how Audi owners can recognize when this compensation is happening, and how to identify the signs early without modifying the vehicle or waiting for a warning light. The most important thing Audi owners need to understand at this stage is that compensation always leaves traces. Even when the car feels normal and no warning lights are present, the vehicle is constantly recording how much it needs to adapt to remain smooth and compliant. The challenge is that these traces are subtle, and most drivers are never taught how to recognize them. Audi systems do not communicate stress through noise, vibration, or obvious malfunction. They communicate it through consistency, or the lack of it. One of the earliest signs of long-term compensation is inconsistency, throttle response that feels different from one drive to the next. Gear changes that are sometimes smooth and sometimes hesitant, without an obvious reason. Idle behavior that varies slightly depending on conditions. These changes are often dismissed as normal behavior or blamed on weather, fuel quality, or driving mood. In reality, they are signals that the vehicle is constantly adjusting to maintain balance. Another overlooked indicator is electrical behavior. Modern Audi vehicles rely heavily on stable voltage. When voltage recovery is incomplete, systems adapt by delaying actions, smoothing responses, and reducing demand. This is invisible to the driver, but it affects how modules communicate. Over time, these delays become part of the learned behavior of the car. The vehicle is no longer operating in its default state, but in a defensive one. What makes this especially dangerous is that defensive operation feels refined, not problematic. Many owners assume refinement means health. In reality, refinement can be the result of heavy correction. When correction becomes permanent, components are no longer aging under ideal conditions. They are aging under stress management. This is why repairs often appear across different systems at different times. The common thread is not the part that failed, but the environment in which it operated. Recognizing this does not require technical knowledge or mechanical skill. It requires paying attention to patterns rather than events. Audi systems rarely fail dramatically without warning. They signal discomfort quietly, long before failure. Once owners understand this concept, the entire idea of maintenance changes. Instead of reacting to faults, they begin observing behavior. Instead of asking what broke, they ask what changed. This shift in thinking is what allows prevention to replace repair. In the final part of this episode, we will tie everything together and explain what Audi owners can do to restore stability, allow systems to relearn healthy behavior, and stop this compensation cycle before it becomes expensive. At this point, the picture should be clear. Audi vehicles are not being damaged by one bad decision or one extreme habit. They are being shaped over time by repetition. Modern Audi systems are extremely tolerant. They adapt to protect refinement, comfort, and compliance long before they alert the driver. That tolerance is what makes them feel premium, but it is also what allows hidden stress to build unnoticed. The solution is not aggressive driving, tuning, or constant repairs. The solution is restoring balance so the vehicle no longer needs to compensate. This begins with awareness. When owners understand how their Audi reacts to repeated patterns, they can change outcomes without changing how they drive aggressively. Allowing the engine to regularly reach full operating temperature, avoiding endless short trips when possible, and maintaining electrical stability gives systems the conditions they were designed for. When those conditions return, compensation decreases. As compensation decreases, components stop aging prematurely. This is when the car begins to feel consistent again. Not faster, not louder, not more exciting, but predictable. Predictability is the real sign of health in a modern Audi. Many owners misinterpret calm behavior as dullness, when in reality, it is stability returning. One of the most important shifts an Audi owner can make is changing how they evaluate the car. Instead of asking whether anything is broken, they begin asking whether anything has changed. Subtle changes in response, consistency, and behavior are far more important than warning lights. When owners respond to these early signals, they regain control over timing. Timing is everything. Acting early costs almost nothing. Acting late costs thousands. This is why expensive repairs often feel unfair. The owner did nothing wrong. They simply did not realize how long the vehicle had been compensating silently. Once this is understood, ownership becomes intentional rather than reactive. The car stops feeling unpredictable and starts feeling resilient. And here is the final insight to take with you. Most Audi repairs do not begin in a workshop. They begin in daily routines that are never questioned. When those routines are understood and balanced, the vehicle no longer needs to protect itself through constant adaptation. In the next episode, we will explain how long Audi systems actually take to relearn healthy behavior and how to tell when your changes are working, so you know exactly when your habits are saving you money instead of costing you repairs.